Hello Revolve, my name is Anastazia Dupee and today we're going to do a little vanity refresh. I'm going to share some organizational tips with you, how I like to keep my vanity really nice and organized. I'm also going to share some of my favorite products that I use in my everyday makeup routine and some new products I got that I'm really excited to try out. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, let's start with some organizational tips. Number one, in your main drawer, keep all of your essentials. Stuff that you grab every single day. You don't have to include all your nighttime beauty essentials. You can just include your everyday makeup stuff, like your mascara, your concealer, your blush, stuff that you just put on and you're out the door. Always have those products within reach. And I'm a huge fan of organization trays. Anything to keep your stuff nice and organized, you know where everything goes. I have one for my powders, one for my skincare stuff. I'm never confused. I know where everything goes and it makes getting ready so fast and so easy in the morning. Another tip is treat your vanity like it's a boutique and you want to see everything perfectly organized. Treat it like a store. Make sure everything is clean. When I sit down and do my makeup and my vanity is organized to perfection, I'm extra excited to do my makeup. And then I have a drawer where I have all my seasonal makeup. If there's a foundation shade that I only wear in the summer, I will have that in my seasonal makeup drawer. Or if there's a blush shade that looks really good when I'm tan and I don't really grab for it any other time other than the summer, I'll keep it in my seasonal drawer. So always make sure you have a seasonal drawer for stuff that you don't really reach on an everyday basis. And I also like to keep stuff for my night out looks there because I'm not really doing many crazy nighttime looks. So all of that goes in my seasonal, nighttime, special occasion makeup drawer. If I need something extra or if I need something for a vacation, it'll be in that drawer. Now let's talk makeup products, stuff that I've been loving, that I've been reusing again and again every single day. So let's get started. Number one is the Benefit Porefessional foundation. This foundation is literally gonna make your skin look like glass, flawlessly glowy, perfectly hydrated. I have been using this every single day. It's what I have on right now. This is the shade 10N. It's a little bit lighter for me, so I use it around my eyes and my temple and my chin, and then I'll go in with a bronzer for the rest of my face, but I have been loving this. Next up, we have the Mercier Real Flawless Concealer, another product that I just I trust this blindly. It's what I have on right now. I love the applicator. It's kind of like a little sponge, and this is incredible because it brightens your under eyes. It doesn't make them look cakey. It never creates those weird lines that some concealers have. It's very lightweight but also full coverage. This will not disappoint. One of the most important steps in my makeup routine for me personally, it's setting my makeup, especially when it comes to the powder. It's so important for me to use an incredible powder that will not make me look cakey, that will not make me look super textury. If I have a pimple or some texture on my face, it won't make it look extra, but will also stay on all day. It won't make my face oily because I do tend to have a very oily T-zone. Think of it as your face is like a house. The foundation needs to be really incredible and strong and amazing. And when it comes to decor, you can buy a little more affordable furniture, but the foundation needs to be incredible. This is the Koh Gen Do powder. This is the first time I've tried this brand. It is magic in this powder. I don't know what they put inside this powder. It's literally magic. You have to try it out. And then even though I love a matte face, the places where I want them to be matte, I don't want the glow. I don't want glow under my eyes. I don't want glow on my T-zone or my chin, but I really want glow on my cheeks. So it's a fine balance between the glow and the matte. This is one of my favorite highlighters, Cookie by Benefit. It's really good. It's amazing. It has a little light pink tint to it, so it kind of acts like a blush as well. It's blinding actually. So if you haven't tried this, you definitely should. When it comes to my bronzer, I like a golden bronze. It's a little bit of a glow as well. I don't want a matte bronzy look. I like a little bit of a glow. I'm always down for the glow. This is the Mercier in number 20 Mercier, and it's this bronzer with some highlighter. And what I like to do is I take my brush and I mainly go around the bronzer and then I quickly go over the highlighter bit. So I grab some highlighter, but it's mainly bronzer, and then I go over everywhere I would usually add bronzer, and it is 10 out of 10. Will make your face glowy and bronzy at the same time, but not too glowy. It's not the shimmery glow. It's that inner glow. Another ride or die for me is definitely the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's an incredible brand and I trust everything she makes. My recent favorite is the Icon Baby lipstick. It looks like this. I feel like this looks good on every single person. It's so incredible. It's the perfect pinky shade. And I like to wear this when I'm doing a no makeup look and I just want my lips to look alive. and gorgeous, but not too much. You can't go wrong with any of the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. Okay, next up we have a product that I've literally been using since I was in high school. I'm not joking. Like, I don't remember my life before I used this product, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color taupe. This is what I have on my brows right now. Nothing hits the same as this one. There's something about the specific shade and consistency and color and wear that I will never stop using this ever. I think it's just like, it's the perfect shade for my eyebrows. I always go back to the really thin, pointy one because I just think this is really precise and it does an incredible job of shaping your eyebrows. I think it's very natural. It gives you this like feathery eyebrow, which I really like. I love a dramatic lash, and I'm kind of over the fake lashes. I can't even tell you the last time I wore fake lashes. I just feel like I'm more into a natural makeup look, but I also do like a dramatic lash, if that makes sense. So I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2. It's like really thick and creamy, and it just like makes your lashes look like so gorgeous, and it kind of makes them look fake in a good way. I've had people ask me if I'm wearing fake lashes, and it's actually just this mascara. I use this natural face, I'm out the door, and it just looks so good. I've been really into a light pinky gorgeous powder under my eyes. I just think it makes every girl look so stunning. So I love the Laura Mercier powder. This is in the shade Soft Pink. Before I set my makeup, I like to take some of this powder and put it under my eyes for a couple minutes, then dust it off, and it gives the prettiest light pink shade where it's not like obvious. But try and take photos because your makeup is gonna look elevated and gorgeous. And yeah, this is my makeup trick. I love doing this. If I'm going out to dinner with my friends and I just want to look a little more put together, a little more wow, if that makes sense. Now let's talk perfumes. I am such a perfume girly. I want to immediately announce my presence with my perfume. I love a good like sweet but not too sweet, florally but not too florally, musky but not too musky. I am difficult when it comes to perfumes. So the ones I like, I really like. So let me show you some of my Revolve Beauty perfume favorites that I just keep on my tray and I use all the time. Starting off, as you can see, this has been loved. Father Figure by PHLUR. Every single time I wear this, someone will compliment me on my perfume. It's too good. It's musky, but not too musky. It's just, I can't explain this scent. This is a good blind buy. I don't think anyone will dislike this perfume. Well, since we're talking about PHLUR perfumes, I'm gonna move on to my other favorite, Missing Person. This was the first PHLUR perfume I ever tried. I remember I was hunting this high and low because it went viral. It smells like your childhood. A summer day when you were a child and you're sitting on your balcony. It's so nostalgic in the best way possible. Love. I'm a big believer that if you're going on a big vacation, it's so nice to have like a perfume for that trip. And then every single time you wear it after, it reminds you of that trip and it brings you back all these incredible memories from the trip. For me, it's the Grand Cuvée. And I wore it non-stop, and every single time I wear this, it reminds me of my trip to South France. It's so luxurious. It smells like what the most expensive SPF oil would smell like. Next up, we got another very summery, very delicious scent. It's the Voluspa Neroli Sun Bath, and I didn't even know Voluspa did perfumes, and I saw this on Revolve Beauty and I instantly had to try it. It smells like you just showered on vacation and you used a delicious shampoo and conditioner and you wore fresh linen maxi white dress and you're ready to stroll town, maybe grab some food, an ice cream, a drink, and you just smell so fresh and clean. This is what this smells like to me. It's just like that clean scent that I love. Next up, I got a newer addition to my perfume tray, the Kai Eau de Parfum. I really like this. I have the Body Glow version of this and I wear it every single day. I think this smells, again, very fresh, very clean, but with a twist. I can't explain it. It's like a fresh twist. This is the more florally scent. I feel like everything I've shown you so far has been more like clean girl scents. This is Juliette Has a Gun Magnolia Bliss. It's florally, but not too florally. It's so good. It smells like freshly washed hair, but with a floral twist. So it again has the like clean element that I love, but with a florally twist. This is my second bottle of this perfume. It's the Gisou hair perfume. You heard that right. It's a hair perfume. Remember when we used to play with like Barbie dolls when we were kids and they would have the most luscious, amazing thick hair and the hair kind of had a smell to it? This is exactly what this smells like. I love this perfume so much. This hair perfume on my second bottle. One of the many reasons I love Revolve Beauty is I love trying out perfumes, but it's hard to buy and I always want to try before I buy. So they have so many discovery sets from literally every single perfume you want to try, especially the more niche perfumes that you don't really find in stores. This is Willem Parfumerie. I got this from Revolve Beauty because I wanted to try their perfumes and see which one I want to buy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you picked up some new tips, some new products you want to try out. Make sure you check the description because every single product I mentioned is linked in the description. You definitely need to try some of this stuff out. You will not be disappointed, I promise. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Revolve's YouTube channel for many more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much.